Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to MK Convenience Brokerage. My name is Mohammed. In this video, I'm going to show you about the paid sick leave, what employers need to know. Obviously, if you're an employer working in the city of New York, you need to know your paid sick leaves right. So, certain employer must comply with the New York State Earned Sick Leave paid. Under the laws, covered employee had the right to use sick leaves for the care and treatment of themselves or a family member. Just to make sure you guys know that if you have a sick leave, you can take it. The Department of Consumer Affairs, also known as DCA, prepared this sheet to provide guidance to employees about their responsibilities under the law. The DCA will update the sheet as appropriate. Please note the date at the bottom of the sheet. To read the laws and frequently asked questions about the law, go to nyc.gov, paid sick leave. So, for example, this is how the chart works. Up 5 or more employees, amount per sick leave to per calendar years, up to 40 hours. You can take up to 40 hours paid or unpaid sick leave. This is paid if you have 5 or more employees. Regular hourly rate, but no less than $9 per hour minimum wage. So if you have 1 to 4 employees, obviously you must work 80 hours a calendar years. 80 plus hours, obviously up to 40 hours per week. It's unpaid. It's 1 to 4. So for like 1 or more domestic workers, number of sick leave you can take up to 2 days, and that's paid. Just to make sure that you know your rights and regulation when you go in. Employers whose employees are not covered by the law does not cover employees who work 80 or less calendar year. Students in federal work study program, employees whose work is compensated by qualified scholarship program, employees of government agency, physical therapists, occupational therapists, speech language pathologists, audiologists who are licensed by New York State Department of Education. These are certain people that obviously are not covered by the law. Notice of employees' right. Just remember, if new first employed on or after April 2014, first day of employment, that's the date written due to the employee. Existing already working employer, May 1, 2014. You must provide each employee with written notice of an employee right to sick leave, including accrual and use of sick leave, the right to file a complaint, the right to the free from retaliation. Obviously, some employers don't want that to happen to the employees. Oh, they're taking sick leaves, I'm gonna fire them now. That's where they're making sure they give you the number. Obviously they're giving information about this as well. Sick leave accrual and use. Again, employee 1 or hour for every 30 hours worked. That's the one. That's how you get the 1 hour for sick leave counting towards it. Domestic workers 2 days after 1 year on the job. Again, you can read through this. Record keeping. You must keep and maintain records documenting compliance with the laws for at least 3 years. You must keep any health related information confidential unless the employees permit you to disclose it or disclose it as required by law. You must make the records available to DCA upon notice in an agreed upon time of day. Advance notice, if you need enforceable, you can require it up to 7 days advance notice of employee intention to use sick leave. Obviously, unused sick leave, an employee carry over 40 hours unused sick leave to the next calendar years. However, you're only required to let an employee use up to 40 hours sick leave per calendar year. You can then choose but are not required to pay an employee for unused sick leave. You don't have to, but it's not required, but if you do, it'll help out the employee. Obviously, complaints and notice of violation, make sure you guys know that. If you want to have a question, you can contact the paid sick leave at dca.nyc.gov. They have a live chat over here, or call 311. They should help you out more about it. So basically that's about it. I just wanted to guys explain to you about the paid sick leave, who's covered, how is it covered, what it is. I just want to explain to you guys more in depth. Thank you again for watching the videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please comment, like, subscribe to my videos. I'll be having more educational, informational videos coming up. Thank you again for watching the videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it.